Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl, Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all, I am doing great because y'all know it's this time of year is my favorite time of the year. The holiday season is upon us, and Black Friday is around the corner. So y'all already know. I'm going to give you some recommendations on how to shop Black owned on Black Friday. So if you want to know who I'm talking about and where you can go, keep watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life. Yeah, check out Lori's life. Yeah, this is Lori's life.
All right, y'all, it's Black Friday. We're going to shop Black owned. And guys, don't forget to use your Ebates while y'all doing all this online shopping so you can get some coins. You're welcome. There's a link in the description box. If you don't have Ebates, go to the link and hook yourself up. Now, y'all, let's talk about some Black-owned companies. That some of these companies I have purchased with in the past. Some of them I have not. And I got some information about some of the sales, and some of the sales I don't know. But I'm just going to give you the information. So we're going to start off with hair care. And y'all already know the first company I'm going to talk about. Y'all already know. My girl, my boo. ToniDaley.com. If you liking this unit that I'm rocking, this is the Gabrielle. And she also does head wraps. She does butters. Like she has this, I can't believe it's not butter. I want y'all to see. I'm not just recommending stuff that I don't use. You see I use it. Excuse the hair. It is for your hair. I think it could be for your whole body, but I use this for my hair to seal in the moisture. And then she also has this minty one that feels so good on your scalp, y'all. And she is definitely having a sale. She's doing 30% off on Black Friday only. And then after Black Friday, from November 24th through December the 24th, you will be able to get 25% off the entire site. And also, you can also sign up with her because she has a points reward system. Y'all, you can't beat that. You get points to shop that you can later on redeem for cash to save some coins on some more stuff to buy. So definitely go check her out. Everyone that I talk about, their links will be in the description box, okay? Now, the next company, y'all already know how I feel about TJMaxx. Y'all, this is my favorite product from this company. It's called the Honey Miracle Mask. And like I said, y'all, I'm not just telling you something, excuse the hair, but you know, it's for hair products. And y'all smell so good. And when I tell you, you get moisture, oh my God, this is my favorite deep conditioning mask. And she is having a sale. And her sale is, everything on the site is $9.99. Y'all know. So if you need to stock up on this, and she has a Twist and Define cream that I like also. And she also has body butters, shea butters, and soaps that are really good. So go check her out. Now, the next company, I'm moving this stuff on out the way, is the Main Choice. Now, you guys know I'm fairly new to this company, but y'all know how I feel about their sealing cream. You see, I used it up, but that's what it looks like. I like their sealing cream, and then also they have this braid out glaze that I absolutely love. These two together, y'all. And I'm not sure. I know they're having a sale. I just don't know any details on the sale. Now, the next company I want to talk about is none other than the Kinky Cashmere. Y'all know my husband calls this lemony stuff. And this is all we have left out the bottle, y'all. And this is her Naughty, I think it's called Naughty Refresher Spray now. This right here, I love this stuff. Now, last year she did have a sale. I'm not sure if she's having a sale this year, but I know last year was only for one day. So go check out the Instagrams and, you know, kind of stalk the site if you wanted to get this to find out. Because I think last year it was 50% off. So I will be getting some more of this because this is all I got left. Now, we're going to go into Shea Moisture. Y'all, I don't know if they're having a sale. Oh, wait a minute. Right now they have a 25% off. That's just for today. Today only online on Shea Moisture, 25% on their whole site. And if you sign up with Shea Moisture, you can get 15% off. So Oh, and also, let me go back. If you sign up with TGIN, you could get 15% off of your first order as well. I'm sorry I didn't tell y'all that, but now y'all know. But y'all, this right here is 100% pure Jamaican castor oil. Y'all, I love this stuff. And you can see that I use it. Let me see. Can you see that? Take my word. You know I use it. You know your girl ain't telling you no fibbers. Y'all, I use this for my edges. I use it for my brows. And I also put a little bit on and put it on my lashes. Because y'all know, I told y'all about my brow. I'm struggling. I'm trying to work. But this really is helping them grow back in. So I really, really enjoyed that. So check them out. Now, y'all, we're going to go into body and skincare and all that kind of stuff. The first company, y'all, is Serenity Bath Body and You. They have one of my favorites. It's called the Red Velvet Body Scrub. Y'all, this stuff, and just so you can see, I don't want nothing to fall out. Your girl be using it. And it smells just like red velvet cake. They have so many different scents. So you can get a scrub. She sells body lotions. What she call them, icings is what she call them. And they look like this. And they smell just like whatever scent you get. And then she also sells, I also have a shower gel from her as well. So I know she is going to have a sale, I think. Yes, but I'm not sure what the sale is going to be. So check out her site and find out what it's going to be, because y'all, that stuff smells so good. Now the next company is called A Life Balance, y'all. A Life Balance has the absolute best facial scrub I've ever used. And I keep mine in the refrigerator, and you don't need a lot. I'm telling you, you do not need a lot. And she does teas and oils and lip balms and all kinds of stuff. So last year, I'm trying to think, did she have a sale? I don't want to lie to y'all, so I'm not sure. But I don't know if she's having a sale this year, but if she is, I definitely will be repurchasing me another one of these scrubs, because I absolutely, when I tell you, your face feels so good after using this, y'all. Your face feels so good after using this. And then also, I have to go right back to my girl Toni, because Toni do everything, y'all. Toni also sells butters for your body in the fragrance of like pink, this pink sugar scent. And then she also has one, and it smells real good, y'all. That one smells good. And this one right here is a new one. It's called Vanilla Bean Buttercup, Buttercream. I don't know where I got Buttercup from. And I just recently got this one. Now, these are really like whipped. Really whipped. And I really like this formula, the whip formula. So also go check her out. Same sale applied for her as well. Now, y'all, let me tell you something. My cousin, Michelle, she works for a company that is I Makeup Me, and this is their business card. But I'm going to leave a link in the bottom, and they are definitely having a sale. Let me give you the sale information first. First of all, let me tell you this. They own this company is a spa that's in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. So if you're in that area, go check them out, because there's an actual spa there. And they do spas, makeup treatments, all kinds of stuff like that. But they also sell body products. And they have a 15 off of 30. The code is give me 30. Then they have a 25 off of 17. The code is give me 75. And then the standard shipping will be $5. But y'all, we were on the road to go home last weekend. Yeah, last weekend. My cousin pulls out this lotion and starts rubbing her hands. And y'all, when I tell you, it smelled so good. It was 4 of us in the car. And we were like, oh, give me some. What is that? What is this? Everybody wants some. Everybody wants some. And so she actually ended up giving me the little bit of the sample that she had left. But for some reason, I can't find it. I ain't gonna say not now name Tina Akita. I ain't gonna say no names. I don't know what happened to my stuff, but now it's gone. But y'all, when I tell you it smelled good, and when you put it on your hand felt so soft, and it wasn't greasy. Y'all, it was amazing. And I'm not just saying this because my cousin works for the lady. I'm saying this because, first of all, the scent itself caught all of our attention. And then when we put it on our hands, we all were saying the same thing. How soft. You know, I got old lady hands. And I was like, oh, it makes my hands look younger. It just, I really, 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 really like this. So I will definitely be picking up something from that sale. And you ought to pick up something also. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about, I'm trying to stay on track, y'all, is jewelry. Y'all already know we got to go back to my girl, Toni Daley. Same sale apply with her. And she does custom. So if you're a YouTuber and you want to customize some pieces for you to be able to promote your own self, because can't nobody promote you better than you. So you can promote your own self by getting some custom made pieces. And this is one of mine that said It's Lori's Life. So you definitely could check her out. But then there's another company that's local here in my area. And the name of her company is, let me make sure I say it right, Eardrome Collection. And I only have one piece from her. This was a gift. I might have two actually. But this is the one right here. She makes these little button earrings. And they're in different sizes. Now, I'm not sure if she's going to have a sale or not, but y'all, these are so comfortable and they're made with really good quality. They're not falling apart and all that kind of stuff. And I'm going to leave her information in the description box as well, because I definitely want to pick up a few more of these, because these are cute just to, you know, put in your ear and go. And she has all different styles. So definitely go check out her website. Now, the last company, y'all, I cannot wait. Last year, I tried to get something from a Gemini Fly. I don't know what happened. But this year, I'm definitely picking up me some pieces from Gemini Fly, y'all. If you want some very beautiful, unique looking earrings and pieces of jewelry, you really need to check her out. I really like her. I'm not sure if she's actually, let me see. I'm not sure if she's having a sale, but I'm quite sure she will. So make sure you go check her out. Now, y'all, we about to get into the makeup. Y'all know I love me some makeup. You know it. Oh, one more thing. If you need custom tees or even custom little items, like this is my little empties bag. It's Lori's Life. And she created my little empties bag. Super cute. She does t-shirts and stuff like that. Make sure you check out Sonetta Crispin. I know she will be having a sale. I think she's going to have certain t-shirts percentages off. I'm not exactly sure, so don't quote me. But I know for sure she's having a Black Friday sale. So I will leave her information in the description bar as well. All right, now let's get to the makeup. Y'all already know one of my favorite Black-owned beauty companies for makeup is the Juvia's Place. Y'all, Juvia's Place want all your coins. They sale going on right now. 45% off the entire site. And y'all, this is the Warrior palette, right? Isn't that gorgeous? Why she got an all matte one? The Warrior 2 is all matte. Y'all know I'm about to pick that up, right? I cannot wait to get it. All matte palette. Yes, I'm here for that all day. But they make great eyeshadow palettes. They're very pigmented. They also make great lippies. If you see my picture from my 28th anniversary, 28th anniversary, I just posted on Instagram. I had a red lippy. That was Juvia's Place. So I really, really like Juvia's Place, and I haven't had any issues with them. Now, the next company that I want to talk about is, we have a YouTuber here by the name of Destiny Godly. Destiny Godly created this thing called a gem blender. Don't judge me on my gem blender, because mine is old. But here it is. This is a gem blender. And then you use it to apply your makeup with. Like you put a little foundation on, and all you need is a little, because the way this stuff is made, what it's made out of, it doesn't soak up your foundation. So when you put it on there, you could just tap it out. You can go up under your eyes. You have different shapes. And you can also use it for the powder to set your powder with. Y'all, I love my gem blender. And I know I owe you guys a video. And it is coming. I'm going to show you. I actually have a video on the gem blender. And I'll leave it in the cards on one of these sides somewhere if you want to check it out to find out what it is. But I know she is definitely having a sale. I'm just not sure what her sale is going to be. And she also sells Because if you know Destiny God, you know her body is snatched. Y'all know her body snatched, right? And she has these belts called the Godly Body, and it's the little sweatband belts. So she's also selling those. So y'all know we all about supporting the sister, right? Now the next company is called Fontella Cosmetics. Now I don't have anything here with this company, but I know their lipsticks are great because my best friend name is Fontella. Hey, Fontella. And so when I discovered this company, I just thought it was so cute for me to be able to purchase her something with her name on it. And she really, really loved the lippies that I purchased for her. So I know they make good quality lipsticks. And if you subscribe to their channel, I'm not their channel, but their, you know how you subscribe to the websites, you can get $5 off of your order. And now the next company after that, y'all, is it's Minted Cosmetics. I don't own anything from them yet, but when I tell y'all, I have seen so many videos of the perfect nude for my complexion. Y'all, it's beautiful browns, and they do eyeshadows and stuff like that too, but I think they're mostly known for their brown lipstick. So if you've been looking for a brown lippy, you definitely need to check them out. And especially if you've been someone my complexion and you're looking for a nice nude color that's really a nude, and you don't have to put a lip liner on, you ain't got to do all that extra, you can just put it on and go, definitely check out Minted Cosmetics. Now the next company I want to talk about is the Beauty Bakery. Y'all, this right here, and if you sign up with the Beauty Bakery on their site, you get 10% off of your first order. Y'all, right here. And they're sold now in Ulta. I'm so happy for her. But this is the one thing I have from them. And it's the cocoa and cream, the coffee and cocoa palette. Y'all, when I tell you, this is a gorgeous and very pigmented. I'm going to do some swatches for y'all. Hold on. Beautiful highlighters. And some of them you can use as blushes. Do y'all see that? My swatches is right raggedy. Well, I don't know why I did all that, but there it is. Y'all, beautiful. I had to literally make myself stop using this, like for real. I was like, okay, you used it enough. Give somebody else a chance, share the love. And I had to put her in the back of the drawer. But now since she's out. So she's staying out for a little while longer. All right, and the next company, y'all, I want to talk about is the Lip Bar. This is the last company. Do you like my lippy? Well, then you would definitely like the Lip Bar. Y'all, Black owned, also sold in Target now. I'm so happy for them. And I definitely want to get some more. They got this gorgeous red, like for a holiday collection. I definitely want to try them out. And I don't know if they're having a sale, but I think they had one last year. You know, a lot of companies have not released, so I couldn't give you guys information if they haven't released it yet. But last year, I want to say they had a sale for Black Friday. So if you've been looking for some nice, I have it on. It's really comfortable. It's not really drying. And it's very pigmented. I really like these lippies from this company. So that's it, y'all. I'm trying to close out this video so it don't be super duper long. But let me know if it's a company that's Black owned and I didn't mention them and you know they're good and they have good stuff. Please put it in the description bar so we can share the information with one another. Because I know we're all shopping. And why not shop Black owned on Black Friday? It is Black Friday. You might as well shop Black owned on Black Friday. And if you know a local company within your area, show them some love, especially our small businesses. Show our small businesses some love, guys. All right, to all of my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life, yeah, it's Lori's life.